Okay, guys, welcome once again. Welcome to the course, and glad to see you here. When you are getting this course, as you are about to start this course, I want you to take your notes and a pen, and then try to jot something down. Please, guys, try to jot something down. Please don't mind me that I'm looking at the big screen here. This is my laptop, and then this is my big screen, so you might be seeing that I'm not actually looking at the camera, so just do that. Okay, so now let's get to it. Understanding the basics of forex trading and the market structure. Welcome once again, guys. Now, what is forex? Quite simple, right? It's the global financial market that allows one to trade currency. If you think one currency will be stronger versus the other, and you end up correct, then you can make a profit. The foreign exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. When I mean largest financial market in the world, imagine your phone, your Android phone you're using, $7.5 trillion is moving, is going up and down on your phone. If only you have the knowledge, guys. If only you have the knowledge. Just like what, sorry, I'm a Christian, so you get to be familiar with me. I'll be using some Bible scriptures in the Bible. And so I'm really, really sorry if you're a Muslim, if you are, I'm really, really sorry. I really love God. I'm a Christian, and then I put Holy Spirit first. So according to the Bible, there's this particular verse that was talking about the hidden riches in the world, the hidden treasure of the world. Forex is one of them, guys. Forex is one of them. Imagine $7.5 trillion in a market. Look at this illustrator I put here. Average daily trading volume. Average daily trading volume in Forex is $7.5 trillion, guys. If you remove $100,000 from Forex in a day, it does not shake the market, guys. It does not. Look at the New York Stock Exchange is 22.4 billion, and Tokyo Stock Exchange is 18.9 billion. London Stock Exchange is 7.2 billion. But look at Forex. Forex is crazily big, guys. It's crazily big. It's the biggest financial market in the world. And the thing is that as a forex trader, you have the ability to stay anywhere and work, anywhere and make your money, anywhere, guys, anywhere in the world and make this money. As long as you have your phone, you have internet connection, you can make money. And you have a laptop or a bigger screen or an iPad to analyze the market. You can make your money from anywhere in the world. So guys, that is forex trading. You buy currencies. You buy one currency and then you sell the other currency. Forex, we call it currency pairs. We are going to get to that, but this is just what you need to know. Forex trading is exchanging of currency, selling one currency to the other. Take, for example, you are going to a country, you are going to another country. For example, for Nigerians that are coming, or for Ivorians that are going to Nigerians, or Nigerians that are going to Ivory Coast. For example, you get to the border of, as a Nigerian coming to Ivory Coast, you get to the border of Abidjan. They will have to tell you that, okay, you need to exchange your money. You need to exchange your money for you to be able to spend the currency in Abidjan, the currency they spend in Abidjan. So, for example, you have 100 naira. All right, you have 100 naira. Now, this 100 naira, you have 100 naira. Now, when you get to the border of Ivory Coast, right, 100 naira, you want to change it to CFA. that 100 naira, that 100 naira, sorry, that 100 naira might now turn to, let's say, 80 sefa. I'm just using this 80 sefa. I'm just using this what is it called? This low amount so that people can actually understand. Now you get to Abidjan border and then you change 100 naira to 80 sefa. 100 naira in 900 naira in Abidjan in Ivory Coast currency is 80 sefa. Now, is that a loss or a gain? That's a loss because you lost 80, you lost 20 naira. Your shortage of 20 naira. That's currency exchange. That's the same thing we are doing in Forex. That's the same thing we are doing for. Now, for example, let's say it's now safer. Take, for example, is now safer, right? Take, for example, is now safer. For example, is now safer. You are going to Nigeria. You have 5,000 sefa. And then you want to change 5,000 sefa to naira, right? 5,000 sefa to naira. Let me put franc. 5,000 sefa to naira. Now, 5,000 sefa to naira is about, let's say, 8,000 naira. Sorry, 8,000 naira. That's what how many benefits? How many benefits? That's 3,000 different benefits, right? That's 3,000 different benefits. You see, 3,000 naira benefits. So that's just it. Forex trading is predicting that, okay, this currency is going to go down and this currency is going to go up. So all you just have to do is, okay, I am buying this currency against this currency. And then if you are right, you make your money. That's just Forex trading, guys. That's just Forex trading. So what's next? What's next? Now, for example, let me clean this. So let's dive deep. Let's now dive deep. We have used word scenario, our physical word scenario. Now let's use the Forex terminology to answer what is really Forex. Now, in Forex, currency are traded in pairs. Each pair represents the value of one currency relative to another. For example, Euro/USD, EUR/USD. EUR means Euro. Euro. Yes, that's European. Their currency is Euro. Why USD, United States, their currency is dollar. Now, the Euro traded against the US dollar, USD. Now, GBP, JPY, this is Great British. P is pound. The first two letters, GB, is their currency, is their country name. Why the last one is the currency, is a country currency name. The first two letters, let me repeat it again. The first two letters is the country name, while the third letter is the country currency name. Let me repeat that again. The first two letters is the country name, while the last letter, the third letter, is the country currency name. JPY. The first two letters is the country name, which is Japan, while the third letter is yen, which is their currency name. Now, the British pound, which is GBP, is traded against the Japanese yen, JPY. Now, when you trade Forex, you are buying one currency while selling another. Guys, can you hear me? When you are trading Forex, this is what I just explained earlier. When you are trading Forex, you are buying one currency while selling another. Traders aim to profit from changes in the exchange rate between the two currencies. I hope you get this, guys. Now, currency symbols. This is just what I just explained earlier. Always have 3 letters. Currency symbols always have 3 letters, where the first 2 letters identify the name of the country and the third letter identifies the name of that country currency. Now, take for example, NZD, for instance. NZ, which is N and Z, stands for New Zealand, while the D stands for dollar, which is NZD, New Zealand dollar. Easy enough, right? So that is Forex. We trade currency, guys. We trade currency pairs. We pair 2 currencies together, just like the example I give you, Nigerian Naira and Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, France CFA. Bringing them together, you're going to a border and then you are trying to exchange. That is Forex trading, guys. That is Forex trading. Simple as ABC. See you in the next course. What are we going to be learning in the next course? It's the 3 types of currency. The 3 types of currency. Take care of yourself, guys, and don't rush this course. Try to digest it. Try to digest them, because remember, learn, then you can earn.